Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to log out of all devices on battle.net. So guys, the first thing that you will do is open up your web browser, and then over here just type in battle.net. So guys, from here click the first one, battle.net, and this will be their homepage. And guys, first thing that you will do is log in to your account here on the Blizzard or battle.net. And then over here, guys, once you have logged in, you're gonna go over here and go to your account settings. And then from here, guys, it's gonna ask you to log in again. So we are gonna do that. And then after that, guys, once you are logged in, you will have here your account overview. As you can see, guys, the first thing that you need to do is go over here to the security. And then from here, guys, on the security, if you scroll down below, as you can see, you will have here an option to log out from all devices. So guys, when you click on this, all of the signed in account on all of your devices will be logged out. And then guys, the second options that you have is go over to the connections. And over here on the connections, guys, as you can see, when you are connected to multiple platforms, you can just click disconnect. And for this video, you need to disconnect your PlayStation network over here. And as you can see, I have logged in on my Google, and you will see I can disconnect it. And there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.